Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. So today's an exciting day for me because Google sent me a surprise package and I was able to pick it up right before I left on my trip. So I'm not in my studio and forgot to bring my studio lights, so sorry about the lighting. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what Google sent me. So first off, I get a greeting card addressed to me, which I think is really cool. And another card about the Pixel 4, and I will read them in a little bit. Inside the box is a hashtag made by Google box with a making help magical, guess that's referring to the Pixel 4. So opening this cool box reveals the Pixel 4 box, and right under it is another smaller box. So let's take a closer look at what they wrote inside this box. You can pause it if you like to read it. I could not believe my eyes. Google didn't send me the Pixel 4, but they actually sent me the Pixel 4 XL in the color I liked, and they sent me the 128GB model for plenty of storage. Inside the Pixel box, you get the SIM injection tool along with the manual, which I'll set to the side. It also comes with the 18-watt charger, and I'm surprised it didn't include the USB-C earbuds this time around. They are really good earbuds. You will get a USB-C to USB-C cable and the USB-A to USB-C adapter to help you move over your data from another phone to the Pixel 4. So besides the Pixel 4 XL, they also included a case. They sent me the gray one with the orange power button, which matches the black and white phone really well. I really like the fabric cases, they look really nice, and the inside of the case is a soft orange felt material that my girlfriend approves of, so I'm officially allowed to rock this case. So going on to the Pixel 4 XL, I am going to miss the dual tone design from the Pixel 3 XL. I really like that design. The back of the Pixel 4 XL feels almost the same as the back of the Pixel 3 XL, which I like. So with the Pixel 4 XL, you're getting two cameras, and one being a telephoto camera, which will help you get better portrait shots and get more detailed zoomed in shots. The Pixel 4 XL is a little taller than the Pixel 3 XL, but slightly thinner. The black borders on the Pixel 4 XL does help you get a better grip on it, so that's nice. I'm really liking the display on the Pixel 4 XL. I prefer the thicker forehead over the notch cutout on the Pixel 3 XL, especially since it has so much in there. So the Soli sensor hitting underneath the thick forehead is pretty cool. You can skip songs by waving your hand over it, and mine has been working fine so far. You can also have interactive wallpapers. You can wave at Pikachu and also pet him and other Pokemons, but of course this will take a toll on your battery. So the only way to unlock the phone is through face unlock, which is really fast thanks to the Soli sensor, which can detect you reaching towards your phone and get it ready to unlock. As of now, the phone will automatically unlock even when you have your eyes closed, which Google states to fix in the coming months through a software update. Also at the moment, I have to put in my password for my bank accounts because they don't support face unlock, and this includes Bank of America and Chase, in case you're wondering. The Soli sensor can also do a lot of other things, which we'll go over on my full review. So the Pixel 4 XL display has a slightly warmer tone than the Pixel 3 XL with its cooler tone. So the 90Hz refresh rate is great to see on here. After using the OnePlus 7 Pro, this is definitely nice to have. You get a buttery smooth interaction, and the phone will automatically switch between 90Hz and 60Hz, which will help you preserve some battery life. Now moving on to the camera, you get a couple new features and new modifications, and I will now show you a couple pictures that I took on my trip, and we'll leave it at that. And I'll play around with this phone more and give you guys my full review in the coming weeks, so stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for watching. Leave a like if you found the video helpful, subscribe for more tech related videos, and I will talk to you on the next one.
Unlock your mind and lose the key. There's a universe inside you. You should never have to hide. I can see the stars inside you. Please just open up your eyes. There's a universe inside you. Inside you. There's a universe inside you. Inside you. Inside you, so much more than people know.